Is YouTube TV available in Canada? Unfortunately, no. It is not currently offered in Canada. YouTube TV is a live TV streaming service designed exclusively for the United States. It provides access to US-based networks like ABC, CBS, NBC, ESPN, and FOX, which are tailored to American audiences. Due to licensing restrictions and regional content agreements, YouTube TV does not support international markets, including Canada. If you're in Canada and looking for similar services, there are local alternatives like Rogers Sportsnet, TSN Direct, or streaming platforms such as Fubo TV Canada and Crave. These services offer live TV, sports, and entertainment tailored to Canadian viewers. While some users consider using a virtual private network, VPN, to access YouTube TV, this is not recommended, as it may violate their terms of service. For now, Canadians should explore region-specific streaming options for their live TV needs. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.